Welcome back to another video. Today we will be repairing this Dino-Chi from the Mcdonald's 2002 Robo-Chi set. I've already gone ahead and taken out some of the screws, and I had to take off the legs also to do this repair. Which is two of these longer screws. To remove the screws, you will need a triangle security bit, which you can find online. So anyway, let's get into it. So now we can pull him apart, just like that. Can be a little bit tricky, but there we go. And you'll want to pull this side off. Alright, so take that out for a moment. This is where you will remove the old batteries. If there's corrosion on here from the battery leaking, you can take a little bit of sandpaper and clean that up, or try and scrape off as much corrosion as possible. Dino-Chi uses two LR41 batteries, so we will insert them in there. Just like that. And then this white piece right here, the spring goes on there, just like that. The spring is important because it helps with how the mechanism functions. So the spring will need to go onto this post right here. So we'll just slip that right on. And then we can test to make sure our battery is functioning. You can see the little red LED glowing. And then we can simply put the other half back on. Just line everything up correctly, just like that. So now, I'm not going to screw the feet back on. You can though. Our feet go back on, just like that. And when we turn out the light, Dino-Chi's eyes light up red. Just like that. So you could put the three screws back in. The smaller ones go right into here, and the larger ones go into the legs. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.